These masks are very pigmented. I wouldn't be worried though, because they're formulated for blondes, so as pigmented and as opaque as they might look on your head, don't be scared. Today, we're gonna try Redken's new Blondage masks on our lovely model here. She's got level 10s, 9s, and is a natural level 7, so she's a great test subject for these masks. First things first, let's shampoo. Miranda's a beautiful light blonde, so I like to use Extreme on her hair to strengthen and balance the pH before we try these masks. We'll start with the VRO. It comes out a beautiful pink. GB, our gold beige, is a nice soft yellow for our warm blondes, and the VB comes out a little bit scary of a navy blue, but I'm also excited to see how this goes on our icy blondes. So we're applying to damp hair, and if you were doing this at home, you'd be doing it in the shower on your damp, freshly washed hair. But since we're doing a little experiment, we're gonna do it in the chair, side by side, so we can see our results. Not only are these masks tone depositing to give you the results you want at home and keep all the hard work your hairdresser did, but they're also strengthening, so it's a nice double whammy. These masks are very pigmented. I wouldn't be worried though, because they're formulated for blondes, so as pigmented and as opaque as they might look on your head, don't be scared. Once we feel confident and completely saturated, now we wait. These masks all sit for 5 to 10 minutes, so if you're doing this in the shower, I would start with your shampoo, put your mask on, and then maybe do the rest of your shower to give it the maximum processing time. Once our 5 to 10 minutes is up, we're gonna rinse thoroughly. I'm really excited. Look how much it changes from that vibrant pigmented color to really soft, beautiful tones. Now we've got her blow dried and smooth, and look at these results. I love seeing them side by side. So on the left here, we've got our VB mask. Look how icy and beautiful, and look at that shine. It's perfect. In the middle, we have VRO, very pink, very soft. Love it. My rose gold blondes are gonna love this mask. And same thing, that shine is not comparable. And now on the right, we've got GB. We all know that blondes are getting warmer, and I'm really excited to have this mask on hand. Her tone's beautiful and we love it, but look how much we can accomplish with just using these Redken Blondage masks. There's something for every blonde.